Fiat 600e, Fiat's new small SUV, effectively leverages Stellantis resources and technology to address gaps in the brand's lineup. Despite being a small SUV, the 600e offers a decent driving experience and retains some of Fiat's signature Italian style. While it may not excel in practicality, it should provide enough space for many small SUV customers. The pricing might appear slightly premium, but the success of the 600e could depend on Fiat's financing options as it targets a wider customer base. The upcoming hybrid version will also be interesting to see how it combines the car's strengths with added value. This new Fiat 600e indirectly succeeds the Fiat 500X, while also serving as a replacement for the 500L MPV and possibly taking on some of the roles of the Grande Punto supermini. It shares a close relationship with the Jeep Avenger, utilizing the same e-CMP platform, 54 kilowatt-hour battery, 154 brake horsepower electric motor, and even the same production line in Poland. The vehicle comes in two versions at launch, the entry-level 600e Red and the 600e La Prima, with the latter featuring additional features like front parking sensors, a rear-view camera, larger alloys, heated seats, adaptive cruise control, and navigation. With dimensions that fit into the B segment, the Fiat 600e is 4.17 meters long and designed for 5 passengers. It embraces Fiat style and heritage with distinctive design cues, including body-colored inserts above the headlights, vertical tail lights reminiscent of the classic Fiat models, and other 500-inspired details. It aims to combine style and fun, aiming to be a distinct and unmistakably Fiat offering in its class.